I'm working with worsted weight yarn. This is Mainstay's yarn from Walmart. And a 6mm crochet hook. You're going to start with chain 121. Work a chain, you pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through. So go ahead and chain 121. When you have your chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next stitch, work a double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and another double crochet, all in the same stitch. Like that. So a double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets. And in the next stitch, a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're going to turn to go in this direction. So I'm going to skip the next 2 stitches and I'm going to double crochet in the next 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're starting to form our chevron. So at the peak, we're going to have a double crochet, chain 2 and a double crochet, and at the valleys, you're going to skip 2 stitches, and that is going to form this chevron stitch. So in the next stitch, I'm going to make another peak. So that's double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and another double crochet. And you can see we have formed another peak. Now we'll form another valley. So we'll do 6 double crochet and we'll skip 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's time for another valley. Skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next 6. You're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Like that. At the end of the row, you'll have 2 stitches, and we're going to double crochet 2 stitches together. So to double crochet 2 together, you're going to yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then pull through 2 loops. And then go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that's the way your chevron is going to look. And now the next row is going to be repeated over and over until your blanket is the length that you would like. So we're going to chain 2 and turn. You're going to skip the first stitch and you're going to double crochet in the next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double crochet, skip that stitch, double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the next stitch is going to be the chain 2 space from the previous row. In that chain 2 space, I'm going to make another V-stitch, double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. So in each of these V-stitches, you'll make a V-stitch. And now I'm going to double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the next 2 stitches would be your valley. You're going to skip those 2 stitches and then double crochet in the next 6 stitches. When you reach this chain 2 space, make another V-stitch, then double crochet in 6, skip those 2 stitches of the valley, and you're going to keep repeating that row over and over until your blanket is the length that you would like it to be. When I reach the end of the row, those are my 2 double crochets. That's a double crochet and that's a turning chain. So I'm going to double crochet these 2 stitches together. So to double crochet 2 together, you're going to yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then pull through 2 loops. And then go into the next stitch, which is the top of that turning chain, and repeat. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And you'll keep repeating this row over and over until your blanket is the length that you would like. And there's how your blanket will look. You just keep repeating as many rows as you would like for the size of your blanket. To make a scarf, you can just keep working until you have about 12 rows. To make a shawl, as many rows as you would like, from 24 to 36 rows. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this chevron stitch blanket. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.